A good evening to you, Doctor. This is Alan Chitimbo, a student of Masters of Arts in Economics. In this video, I'm presenting about my review paper on the impact of the fourth industrial revolution on jobs and the future of the third section. By definition, the fourth industrial revolution refers to the outgoing transformation of traditional industries through the integration of digital technologies, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, robotics, and other advanced technologies. It is characterized by the fusion of physical, digital, and biological systems, leading to significant changes in how we live, work, and interact. According to January 2016 report from the World Economic Forum, WEF, the future of jobs, employment, skills, workforce strategy for the fourth industrial revolution, a host of developments have moved the world of work into the fourth industrial revolution, which will fundamentally alter the way we live, the way we work, and the way we relate with others. Focus is put on the impact of the fourth industrial revolution on employment and on the work of voluntary and community organizations. And this includes identifying what new demands and opportunities these developments may present to these organizations. The discussions are increasingly talking about the potential impacts of this revolution. It will change how we live and how we work, how the economy works, and how we are governed. Because the fourth industrial revolution is bringing about a lot of new changes, especially in the workplace, and even how we live. We are seeing that a lot of work is going to be done by machines, and so how we work is going to entirely change. Possibly majority of people are going to lose jobs because of this revolution. The way we are going to be interacting with others, possibly it may change. For example, we may end up going into a situation where we actually have to interact maybe via WhatsApp, via the different channels of technology. Then we are seeing that examples include, for example, a report from Oxford University joint report in 2016 estimated that 57% of the jobs across the world are at risk of automation. So meaning that in this case, some people are going to lose their jobs to technology. In other words, machines are going to replace human beings. The Financial Times reported still in 2016 that between 2000 and 2010, of all the jobs lost in the USA, over 85% were lost to new technologies, introduction of computers, and so on. Then the Bank of England estimated that 2/3 of all jobs were capable of being automated within 20 years. So meaning that even the future is not so clear. Many people may lose their jobs. Regardless of the specific data, an indisputable fact is that the Industrial Revolution has already come and the current workforce is already feeling the heat. So it is already here, and it's not coming tomorrow or the other day, but already people have started seeing that where we needed maybe 5 people, one person can work using the machine. Where we needed 10, we can employ 2, and they are enough For example, a case of agriculture where we are seeing that machines like tractors, combine harvesters, a case where you would need over 50 people to harvest, there is need for only one combined harvester to do that work within even lesser time compared to when it would be done by the 50 people. I think that the business world is already discussing and preparing for how this revolution will affect their businesses, dubbing it as the Industry 4.0. The wider the societal impact of this new revolution has not to date been discussed in depth nor planned for. So that is one other gap that we can actually have, which needs to be actually worked upon. Then we are seeing that it is known that past industrial revolutions have forced societies to undergo major and often painful processes of adaptation. It is always quite hard for people to actually adapt to this new technology or to this new kind of revolution that comes up. For example, when people lose jobs, of course, there are going to be many other impacts of loss of jobs. Then we are saying that, for example, from rural, largely agricultural societies to urban industrial societies, and then to the post-industrial societies dealing with the loss of traditional industries and source of employment. We have seen that a lot of employment opportunities are going to be lost. And so where will the people go? It means that they are going to remain unemployed, they will not earn any income, and therefore, possibly, there will be kind of suffering that will be brought about by this industrial revolution. Then we are seeing that the societal impacts of this fourth revolution also appears likely to be far-reaching. Societies are going to be affected so much by the industrial revolution, resulting not only in the social economic impacts of the loss of many current jobs, but also fundamental and increasingly volatile shifts in the nature of work and future jobs. So today someone may be safe, but tomorrow the person will not be safe. So it implies that something must be done. How to actually come up with a way of taking up this population that is going to be unemployed. Then we are seeing that how public and private services will be delivered. You may find that where we needed about, say we have safe borders, and these ones are used in delivery of things to different points within a country, maybe within a town, and so on. But with the time, of course, the fourth industrial revolution will maybe suggest that that number is reduced and other means are going to be used to deliver such things and such services. In summary, we are saying that the fourth industrial revolution has already taken place and its impact on jobs are already biting in all sectors. For example, I'll use an example of agriculture. In the agriculture sector, we see that in all parts of the world, improved technology is being adopted to replace high demand for labor. Then combined harvesters, tractors, bulldozers, grinding machines have highly replaced human beings. We have also seen the use of robots to do the work that human beings were used. That may not be in the industrial sector, but maybe at another level, still in the agricultural sector. Biotechnology has also taken place or is taking its position. For example, they are using now new modified organs, genetically modified organisms. For example, in agriculture, they are using new seeds which take shorter time to grow. They are using new breeds that, for example, chicken. We hear of the Yuga chick, or those the improved chicken that is growing within 2 weeks. That is particularly in farming. So the fourth industrial sector is already in place, and we are already seeing that its impact are actually slowly by slowly increasingly and impacting on the economy, impacting on the society, and impacting on every part of the economy. Thank you so much. That is the end.